the SH-3 Sea King helicopter, originally designed by the United States to hunt Soviet submarines. Today, the SH-3 is one of the most popular search and rescue helicopters in the world. The Arabian Gulf, July 2002. The Navy destroyer USS Cushing is on patrol when a Sea King carrying 7 people comes in for a landing. The helicopter approaches the landing pad on the stern of the destroyer. Without warning, its tail rotor loses power. The 9-ton aircraft spins out of control and slams against the deck of the ship. The tail breaks in two, and the main rotor blades shear off and fly in every direction. One strikes the deck, igniting a fire. Bathed in smoke, the Sea King tumbles over the side of the ship and into the water. As emergency crews rush in and spray the landing platform with foam, the wrecked helicopter can be seen drifting off the ship's stern. It remains afloat for another 14 minutes. All 7 crew members manage to escape and inflate their life vests. All are pulled from the water and safely returned to the destroyer. 2 crew members suffer minor injuries. Damage to the USS Cushing includes helicopter blades slicing into a missile launcher. Had the blades cut deeper, it's possible a serious explosion could have occurred. The wreckage of the Sea King is pulled from the water. It's a $6.4 million loss.